Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic expression. In that we will discuss types of algebraic expressions. Let's see some key concepts. A variable is a symbol which is used to represent an unknown number. It is denoted by a letter such as x, y, z, a, b. Its value is not fixed. A symbol having a fixed value is called a constant. An algebraic expression is formed from variables and constant using operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, 4a plus 5b. Expressions are made up of terms. Every term of an algebraic expression has two parts: coefficient part, literal part. A term is a product of factors. For example, 2xy. In 2xy plus 3 is a product of 2x and y. Factors are containing variables are algebraic factors. The coefficient is a numerical factor in the term. An expression with only one term is called monomial. For example, 2x minus 3y, 7mn. An expression with two unlike terms is called binomial. For example, 2x minus 3y, 7mn plus 3t. An expression with three unlike terms is called trinomial. For example, a plus b plus c, 3x square minus 2xy plus 4. An expression with one or more terms is called polynomial. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 7mn plus 3x square. Terms which differ only in numerical coefficients and have same variable parts are called like terms. For example, 5xy and minus 10xy are like terms because it has different coefficients such as 5 and minus 10 but same variable xy. Terms are not like terms are called unlike terms. For example, x square y, xy square. So these are unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added. Like terms of an algebraic expression are combined by finding the sum of the coefficient and attaching the sum obtained to the common variable part. Let's see addition of monomials. Horizontal method and vertical method. In horizontal method, 2x plus 4y plus 3x plus 2y. 2x plus 3x and 4y plus 2y. We have taken the common variable together. So 2 plus 3, that is a 5. So 5x and 4y plus 2y is equal to 6y. So 6y. So finally we got 5x plus 6y. Vertical method. 2x plus 4y plus 3x plus 2y. 2x plus 3x 5x. 4y plus 2y 6y. One another example. 9x square y square minus 7xy plus 3x square y square plus 4xy. Now we will take the like term, that means x square y square togetherly and xy togetherly. So 9x square y square plus 3x square y square minus 7xy plus 4xy. So 9 plus 3, that means 12. So 12x square y square minus 7xy plus 4y, 7 minus 4, 3. So minus 3xy. In vertical method also we can see 9x square y square minus 7xy plus 3x square y square plus 4xy. 9x square y square plus 3x square y square is equal to 12x square y square and minus 7xy plus 4xy is equal to minus 3xy.